Volcano. As the clouds prostrate across the sky, flocks of birds went off in a frenzy, and an ominous wind sighed through the town. But no one bothered to wonder why. Then suddenly, as of the roar of a lion, the earth shook and the animals protruding from the east went wild, almost berserk. But no one bothered to wonder why. Boom! Stones went off as firecrackers in the sky, and a rush of ruby red goo slithered through the town, consuming all in its path. The foretold tragedy took them all by surprise, and they fled for their lives, stampeding and caressing each other to their death. The prefatory danger painted everything charred black, and the incense of sacrificed villagers perfumed the air, and the toxic shade of cloud laid waste across the sky. But no one bothered to wonder why. Yes, I'm Roman and welcome to my channel. That was poem number 71. A very quick breakdown of what the poem means. In a sense, it is trying to talk to us about the signs you receive before danger, disaster, or something that is simply unfortunate that happens in our lives. As you could have clearly seen with the poem or heard maybe, there were so many signs. But what kept being repeated was that people didn't pay enough attention, people didn't care. And in the end, when hell broke loose, it took them all by surprise. So what I wanted to convey here is that sometimes you should pay attention to the red flags, pay attention to the signs, pay attention to the things that are happening in our lives, and prepare for the danger that is ahead. And finally, there's always two meanings when it comes to my poems, and the second interpretation is quite literal. I'm speaking about an actual volcano that has been, let's say, dormant. However, there have been these signs that no one seemed to have been paying attention to, and finally the volcano erupted, and voila, you know what happened next. Anyways, that is it for my video for today. If you have another interpretation, let me know in the comments down below, and also if you'd like to share a poem, let me know in the comments down below. So subscribe, like, share, and I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao.